Welcome to lesson 24 for beginners. Well, lesson 24 is not like total beginner. Now, I would say you are a intermediate. So please answer my questions, which will be a little bit more difficult than at the beginning of the course. Of course. How can finding a job help improve someone's economic situation? Do you have a favorite movie star? Who is it? And why do you like him or her? What's usually kept in the basement of a house? Have you ever been anywhere undercover? Who is the mayor of your city or town? What are some simple ways to avoid catching a cold or flu? Can you think of a person you like as a role model? Why do you look up to them? How do you make boiled eggs? Do you prefer soft-boiled or hard-boiled ones? Do you drink water from a tap? Have you ever been on a picnic? What kind of food did you bring? And now write down what you hear. The elephant was so huge that it couldn't fit through the doorway. Did you mention the upcoming party to Sarah? I think she'd like to know. Solving a Rubik's Cube can be quite a challenge. They split up last year. It's not right to steal someone else's idea. And now try to translate what you hear. Can you suppose what might happen if we run out of water? Have you ever attended a sports event? Which one was your favorite? We need to collect more data before we can start the project. Sarah needs to finish her report for the meeting by Friday. What's your position on recycling? Do you think it's important? Can you find the source of this information? The director of the play did an excellent job. To ensure safety, always wear your seatbelt while driving. The car was traveling at high speed when it suddenly stopped. Let's bake cookies this afternoon. And now create your own sentences from following words. Space, avoid, bachelor degree, protection. Thank you. Bye-bye.